Hello all, welcome to CodeLitics, your go-to place for coding solution, tutorials and the problem solving. Whether you are just starting or you are already deep into coding, this channel is designed to help you level up your skills. So here we'll break down the coding problems from the platforms like the LeetCode, the HackerRank and many others with a clear and a step-by-step solution. You will also find the in-depth tutorials on algorithms or the programming languages like the Python, etc. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a new tutorial or the solution. So let's solve the problem together and let's elevate our coding skills to the next level. So in today's video, I am going to start with the LeetCode.com platform. There I am going to solve the multiple questions. So as of now, I have chosen the SQL as the language where I will be solving the questions. And I have this SQL 50 study plan here. It is opened here. This plan is having total of 50 questions which are divided into the different categories like easy, then medium level and the high level questions. This SQL 50 covers all the topics that are there in the SQL. It goes from the very basics to little bit harder and the advanced level questions. Okay, so let me start with this first question, that is recyclable and the low fat products. Okay, so the question number 1757, that is recyclable and the low fat products. Here we have given this products table which have the columns that the product ID, the low fats and the recyclable. The explanation is product ID is the primary key. Low fats is a enum, that is a category of type yes and no, where y means the product is low fat and n means it is not. The recyclable is again a enum category of the type values y and n, where the y means this product is recyclable and n means it is not. So the question is write a solution to find the IDs of the products that are both low fat and recyclable. We can sort the result in any order. Here below we have given this products table, that is the input table, which have the product ID, low fats and the recyclable columns with the values given into that. Here the expected output here is in this way, where we are getting the product ID. Here we have two values only, 1 and 3. Okay, so let us solve the question now. So to solve this question, as of now I am using this MySQL. We have multiple options here, but currently I am using MySQL only. So let us start with this one. Okay, before proceeding with the question, just understand it once. So here what we have to do is we have to find the IDs of the products that are both low fat and the recyclable. That means the low fat should be yes and the recyclable also should be yes. So like this here in this one, it is both yes for low fats and yes for the recyclable. So let us write the query now. So it is select the product ID. We need only one column. Select product ID from the products table, where our low fats is yes and our recyclable is also y and 8. So the query is written now. Let me run it, and there we have it. It is accepted. The input was in this way. This is what the input table, and the output we got is this one, which is same as that of the expected output. I hope you understand the solution. If you understand, then please like the video, share it with your friends and also subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon so that you will never miss an upcoming videos on the series. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.